Alright, guys, so I found Pippet. So let's just kill this one thing, this one trip trap, and I'll show you Pippet. 18 divided by blank divided by 3 equals 9. Ah. So once I defeat this one thing, I'm not running away, because then I can't get to Pippet. But I will kill Pippet. Mm. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Alright, trust me, it's this one. So I think I look cute. I'm Maya Moonstrider. I'm a frickin' member. And I'm going to kill this trip drop. And then Pippet. Of course I'm going to kill Pippet. Sorry, I'm coughing a lot. I'm going to do it throughout the whole video. Alright, so that trip drop's dead, and here comes Pippet. You're next, Pippet. Yeah, it's Pumpkin Fest. Yes, this was filmed during Pumpkin Fest. I suggest you go on Prodigy. It's free, but paying for membership is not. Also, what do you think of Indigo Montoya, my pet lizard? Well, he's a chameleon. Oh no. This little guy's a problem. Oh god, he doesn't even have health. No, I can't escape and get my good stuff on. Well, just gonna have to kill him. 16 divided by 4 is... I'm gonna say 3, because I don't really know. Alright, 1 second, getting up my calculator. You won't see it on the screen, but it's up. And not seemingly working. Oh, there he goes. Divide by 4. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. Sorry, I suck at this, but... That's because I can't do math. Pippet, you're ugly. Pippet, you are ugly and you need to kill yourself. Pippet, you are ugly and you need to kill yourself. Oh my gosh, he's got awesome animations. 35. I know that because 7 times 5 is 35. Just do stuff backwards here, man. Pippet needs to go... Oh, frick yourself. You're a little frick. OMG. I'm powerful against him. 40 divided by 5 equals 8. Let's kill Pippet. Pippet, die. Die, Pippet. I need to screenshot this entire battle. Because this is a really freaking awesome. 70 divided by 10 is 7. Don't care. Pippet, you're going to be dead. Oh my gosh, I killed Pippet! I killed Pippet! Guys, I killed Pippet! Awesome! I killed Pippet! Oh my gosh! I am a beast! Too bad, because I'm gonna keep learning. That was like the funniest exit ever. Just like. Alright, see you. 1 second. Well, see you.